Welcome to day 3 of our Python programming journey. Today we will be diving into control flow and focusing on conditionals, how to make decisions in your Python programs. Conditionals allow us to make decisions based on certain conditions in our programs. They help guide the flow of execution by determining which block of code should run. In Python, we use if, else, and elif statements to control the flow of our program based on conditions. Let's start with the if statement. The if statement is used when we want to execute code only if a particular condition is true. The syntax is simple. You write if followed you write if followed by the condition, then a colon, and finally the block of code you want to execute if the condition holds true. For example, if age is greater than or equal to 18, you could print that the person is an adult. The else statement. Next, we have the else statement. This is paired with an if statement and is used to define what should happen if the if condition is false. In the example here, if the person's age is not 18 or older, the program will print that they are not an adult. The elif statement, in short for else if, comes in handy when you need to check multiple conditions. If the initial if condition is false, Python moves to check the elif condition. You can use as many elif statements as you need. For example, if someone is under 18, they might be classified as a minor, and if they are 18 or above but less than 21, they might have different privileges, like being able to vote but not drink alcohol. Now let's talk about Boolean expressions. A Boolean expression is simply a condition that evaluates to either true or false. For example, x equals to y checks if x is equal to y, while x not equals to y checks if they are not equal. Boolean expressions are also used with logical operators like AND, OR, and NOT to combine conditions. These expressions allow us to create more complex decision-making structures. In this example, we check if both conditions are true using the AND operator. If x is greater than y and also equal to 10, we print a message. Similarly, we use NOT to inverse the Boolean value of the condition. If x is not equal to y, the message is printed. Sometimes you may need to make decisions within decisions. This is called nesting conditionals. In a nested if statement, you place one if statement inside another. For example, if someone is old enough to enter an event, you can further check if they have a ticket. If they do, they can enter. Otherwise, they are told they need a ticket. Now, let's combine what we have learned with user input. In this example, we ask the user for their age and check if they are eligible to vote. The input function captures user input as a string, so we need to convert it to an integer using int. Based on the input, the program will print whether the person is eligible to vote. Let's put your skills to the test with a few practice exercises. First, you can create a program to check if a number is even or odd. Second, write a program that checks the temperature and determines if it's hot cold, or moderate. And lastly, write a program that asks for the user's age and prints which age which age group they belong to. To conclude, conditionals are an essential part of Python programming. Mastering if, elif, and else allows you to write dynamic programs that respond to different situations. Keep practicing writing conditional statements, and soon you will be able to create more interactive and intelligent programs. Thanks for joining me, and happy coding!